Hello and welcome. My name is Robin and this is the channel. So today I have a Stitch Fix unboxing and it's kind of a tinier box, so I'm thinking I'm still getting summer clothes. So if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I so appreciate it. I hope you'll subscribe, tap the bell button so you get notified of all my future video, and a thumbs up. And if you're returning, thank you, thank you, thank you. I so appreciate your loyalty and your patience while I catch up on all my videos. So you get a preview on your Stitch Fix. They send you 10 items and you can either accept them or reject them. And I rejected every single one. I've been having Susie as my stylist and she's been knocking it out of the park. But unfortunately, I don't know what happened, but every single piece that she put in my preview was like, yuck. So I just said no, and I hoped for the best. So I hope you are all having a great day, still suffering from allergies, but I think that's just gonna be for the rest of my life. So it's like 80 degrees here, so I thought I would try to film outside. I do have visitors attacking me. I think I have some flies and maybe a bee or two. So if you see me dancing around, waving my arms, it's because I'm under attack. So Stitch Fix is $20 a month, unless you have a styling pass, which I think most people do at this point, which is $49 for the year, and you get unlimited boxes. So, sorry, I had to take some water. So you get your return bag. And I've been keeping a lot of mine have been a 5 for $5. That's how great Susie's been. You get a stylist card with everything in it and how to style and a note. And I still have Susie. And this is my 97th fix. Can you believe that? 97. And then you get, of course, the nasty bill. But the great thing about Stitch Fix is if you keep all 5 pieces, you get a 25% discount. And I do have a referral link that I think most people do. Here comes the fly. So you can save $25 if you've never tried it, and then I get $25. And that link will be listed below. And here is my bundle. No shoes, no handbags, just a bundle. So let's see what Susie sent me. So it's October. Do you guys decorate for Halloween? I found, you know, the pieces that I saved from getting my lifestyle boxes that have Halloween, Thanksgiving theme items, and I put them throughout my house. Not enough for Dennis to even notice that I put them out. So the first top is a bow V-neck with embroidered shoulder applique. Oh, I thought I dropped something. And oh, this is pretty. Got to figure out the front from the back. Yeah, so this is the front that you're looking at. And you can tell it's sheer because I can almost see right through it. But I do like the shoulder on this. Let's see if you can see it. And it looks like it's a 3/4 sleeve. So I am kind of liking this. I don't know if I have to wear something underneath because it's sheer, but I do like that. And then the next thing are a pair of shorts by STS Blue. I like the color, but I am getting away from the short shorts. I think this is my kind of last year of wearing shorts. But they're cute, but they're just a little short. I like the zippers on it. They're a size 29. They do have some stretch, but they're just too short for me. I think I pushed the button at my age to wear the short shorts, but they are cute. I don't know when I try them on, if I will show you. And then it looks like we have the Judy Blue, and I do like Judy Blue in a 29, and they are a capri fit, and they're Peter mid-rise cuffed capri jeans. And I do like these because you can wear them with sandals, you can wear them with boots, so I do like these. So I'll definitely try those on. And then, oh, I like the color of this. And gotta figure out which way it goes. This is Market and Spruce Josie Knit Detail Knit Tank, burnt orange in a large. And I've been getting extra large, but this I might be able to get away with, but look at the detailing. So it's kind of cute. I can still get away with it this time of year because it's about 80, between 80 and 90. And the last piece, it's a Fortune and Ivy in size large, Aisha ruffle detail blouse, and they're calling this a white. It looks like you can wear a normal bra with it. So it's kind of cute, a little dainty, but it is kind of cute. And if I had to wear a tank under that blue one, like a nude color tank, I can probably wear that same tank under this. So all in all, except for the short shorts, this is really a great fix for a replacement for the 10 I didn't like. So I will be right back with the try on. Okay, I got brave and I put on the shorts. The first thing I am wearing is the Aisha ruffle detail blouse in a white. And this is a large, so I'm not sure if I need to size up. And then I have on the STS Blue Ellie High Rise Zip Pocket Short in cream. And they are a size 8, but I don't know what the inseam. I'm thinking it's 3 or a 4. So let me know what you think. So this is the top, and it has the ruffles here, and the V-neck is nice, and this is how it fits. So I probably would have to hand wash it because I'd be afraid it would shrink here. But I really like the color. I like the way it fits. And I think the extra large, it would be too big in the sleeve. So I'll turn around. Excuse the messy driveway. And then the shorts. So I like the zipper, the way the zipper is here. And it does fit nice around my belly, which is my problem area. I do like the color, but let me move back so you can see the length. So this is the length, and you have to be honest and let me know if I pass the prime for the length of the short. But they're stretchy, they're comfortable. If I sat down, I wouldn't feel uncomfortable. So let me know what you think. If I have too much, going on with the cellulite. I know I would not pair these two together, but I did kind of like both the top and the short, and it would depend if this was a 5 for 5. So I'll be back with the next outfit. Okay, I'm back with the next outfit, and I am wearing the Market and Spruce Josie Knot Detail Knit Top in burnt orange, and I have on the Judy Blue Peter mid-rise cuffed capri jean in indigo. So if I kept this top, I'm thinking I would have to size up and wear, of course, a different bra. I do like the cute little knots. I like the color. It fits great here, but I don't know if I like it in the belly area. I don't know if it's because the jeans kind of push it up. It's cute, it's comfortable, it's an easy throw on. It's perfect for the weather that we're having. I turn around. I mean, it's actually long enough in the back, but again, having that problem belly area, of course, it's my fault. It's not the top. As much as I'd like to blame the top, I can't blame the top. And these jeans are so comfortable. They come up. Don't want to show the belly fat. I might have to wear a belt with it, but they come up pretty high. I think they fit nice back here. And again, you can wear them with sandals. You might have to go farther back. Hello. You can wear them with sandals, heels, boots. I'm trying to put you down so you can see how they fit. Yeah, I got some stuff in the way there, sorry, but they're like a perfect fit. So I do like those, my little legs sticking out there. So I kind of like these, but the top, I'm a little unsure about how it fits. If I wore some like Spanx or something, I could probably get away with it. So I will be back with that last top. Okay, I'm back with the last top and I have mixed feelings. I like the embroidery. It fits great up here. This is the Babo embroidered shoulder applique in indigo. It itches. It itches and it snags. When I went to go put it on, I noticed there was a snag in the back. So I'm afraid that it would snag. And it kind of fits low in, like right here in my problem area. So I do like it. Turn around. You can see it's got the string in the back, but it fits right where the fat is. So I know if I were to sit down, you'd see that. And I would be afraid it would snag. So I like it. I think if I put maybe a tank top underneath, maybe not so much with the snagging, but it kind of itches like even in my arms. So I think this is gonna be a no. So let me know what you think of this top, but it's just like itching. So the other tops, of course, were kind of like sleeveless, so I didn't have that issue. But I have to see what this is made of. But I can see where it's gonna snag, and I definitely would have to hand wash it. So let's sit down and do a recap. Oh, I'm turning around. You don't want to see the nasty driveway. The total of the fix is $236. The ruffle top, that really pretty Aisha blue and white that they're calling white, is $38, so not too bad. The Josie knot detail, the one in the burnt orange, I liked it, but again, I didn't think it was flattering on me. That was $38. The pocket shorts in green, that, you know, kind of short, those were $49. And the capri jeans that I'm wearing, those are $55, which really isn't bad for a pair of Judy blue jeans. And this top that I'm wearing that is itching and I can't wait to get it off is $56. So I think I'm just considering these jeans. The buy all discount at 25% would take $59 off, so the whole fix would cost me $177, which isn't bad for a pair of jeans, a pair of shorts, and 3 tops. But I'm just not loving everything, so I'm thinking of just keeping these jeans. I really don't need another pair of jeans, but I don't have a whole lot of capri jeans, so that's why I'm considering the jeans. So let me know what you thought of this fix and what your favorite piece was, And thank you so much for your time. And as always, you guys have an awesome day.